Hey guys, Justin, Bulldog, Stump and Tractor. Say, I know it's still winter and a little bit cold outside, but say it's never too early to start thinking about spring lawn care. Each year we start getting bombarded with spring requests starting in March and April, and this year we had a few in late January. Last year we added an Aerovator to our equipment fleet and expanded our services. Some clients thought we were just offering aeration services. And although that's kind of true, I'm going to try to help explain the difference between plug aeration that you're used to and core aerovating, the service that we offer. Let's start with traditional aerating. Aerating the traditional way involves removing plugs of sod and earth to loosen up the soil and bring oxygen into the root system of your lawn, encouraging growth. The now loosened ground allows root expansion, nutrient absorption. Sounds good, right? Well, there's a couple things.
First, the ground is only decompacted where the plugs are being removed. The rest of the soil remains unchanged or still compacted, so the results are spotty. Second, your yard will be, well, I'll call it unsightly until the plugs decompose. Did I mention the grass where the plugs were pulled is now dead? Those are a few of the downsides, all in the name of obtaining about a 20% surface area decompaction rate. Remember, where the plug of turf was removed, there is now a void without any grass. You might get into the 30% decompaction by surface area, but that's basically the limit per surface area. Aerovating is a different process. This process involves a machine that uses a roller with a vibrating spike head instead of a plug puller. The spikes sink into the earth and vibrate to loosen all surrounding soil. It fractures the top crust of soil. The results are immediately different. Very spongy earth and no plugs. Your grass surface will be 100% loosened, allowing all those nutrients to reach the grass plant roots immediately after the service. You will also have perfect opportunity to add grass seed to help fill in any bare spots or lay down a pre-emergent weed and feed.
Aerovating is definitely the way of the future, and hopefully that helps explain the difference between aeration, aerovation, and how the two work together. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us or drop a comment in the video. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Cheers from the Bulldog.